Welcome, and today we're going to talk about pricing your work for beginners with the emphasis about beginners. If you're already a jobbing photographer, this isn't for you. But first, if you're not subscribed, then click the button link down below because it helps me grow the channel and I'd really appreciate it. Thank you. So, I have quite a few people always asking about how to price work and what do I charge, and the simple answer is there is no simple answer, and it's not a one solution price fits all. Now, depending on where you are on your career journey will also depend on how much you can charge, demand for your services. As someone who has been in the industry for 10 years and a proven track record will be able to charge a lot more than someone who has just started and has no portfolio, unless you're insanely talented and well connected. And if you are, why are you watching this? But I'm betting you're not. So, this video is also not aimed at people who are already working in their own businesses and have an established company. If you're after help, then that's going to be a different video with different needs. Now, there are different ways of working this out, but I think this is one of the best ways as a starter in the industry, and it breaks it down into chunks which actually seem manageable. So, let's start at the basics. How much do you want to make a month? Let's say you want to turn over £1,000 a month, and I'm going to use 4 weeks for simplicity of calculations. How many jobs do you want to do in a week? Let's say 2 jobs per week. That seems low, but you need time for marketing and creative process of running your business. You also need space to build your business. You're not an employee anymore. So that's £125 per job. Now take £50 off that job price for your equipment, insurance, you should have insurance, coffee, etc, etc. That leaves you with £75. The living wage is about £10 an hour in the UK. So that means that you can do 7.5 hours worth of work for that job. But wait, you don't want to make just the living wage, so double it. So that leaves you with 3 hours 45 to complete the job. 3 hours 45. Wow! So spend about an hour and a half actually photographing and the rest editing and presenting to the client. And as time goes by, you should be getting this down to just under 2 hours, which will effectively double your hourly wage to £40 an hour. Now, if you want to increase, double the workload to 4 jobs a week. And at 2 hours, that's 2 days worth of work and £2,000 turnover. And notice I said turnover, not profit. As time goes on, you can increase how much you charge for a job depending on what you're offering, and this is how you build a business. Don't try and get the high-paying jobs from day one. You won't have the skill or experience to be able to pull it off. Start with the easy sells. Selling a local business owner a £125 package is very easy to do. You can pop into the business, take an hour's worth of photos, and produce loads of photographs for their website and social media. Now, as time goes on, you want to limit how much you give them for that £125. So say 10 edited photos, and they can buy extra if they wish. That way you increase the sale without increasing the time or effort, and in effect, you are increasing your product price and hourly wage. So, did you realize that for each job you were saving 40% towards your business costs so you can run the business and expand the equipment that you use for work? Because we all like to buy new equipment. We're photographers. Also, keeping some money back for a rainy day. We've just been through unprecedented times and still are, and to have some in reserve will put you in good stead. So, once you've gone down this road, you are then ready to start creating packages to sell to your clients rather than just being a jobbing photographer for hire. Just make sure that whatever you charge, that you will not feel resentment for charging the price you did. That works both ways as well, to be fair. But you need to make sure that you don't think you've sold yourself too cheap. I hope this has helped you in seeing that if this could be a route for you, and there are plenty of business courses and mentors to help you on your journey, and most councils in the UK will provide a free service to get you going. Just remember to be realistic. Don't go expecting to make £10,000 a month from the get-go. And if this is something that you want to try, just go and see if you can sell a package or two at that price and test the water. Hope you liked that, and please subscribe for future videos and give a thumbs up if you did like it. Thank you very much. Catch you on the next one. Serious time. Let's start this again because I really fluffed that up, didn't I? Really? Okay, I need to start this again because I keep looking at it. Take 5,099.